I'm gonna explain how to put the kiss pedal on. So basically you have three parts. This is the front part of the pedal, this is the rear part of the pedal, and this is the little the connector of two pedals. So now I'm gonna explain how to do it. First of all, you need to remove these two the bolts, and after you unscrew it, put it right here, and you can take off the pedal. Then you put the front part of the kiss pedal into here, and just put these two bolts on. Okay, so now you put this bolt on, and put the other one too. Okay, I put the other one too, and then this is the rear part of the pedal. Now you have to use this kind of a hexagon wrench to loosen here first. Now it's all tied together, so you have to loosen it like this. Same for the other side. Loosen it. Okay, once you loosen it, it becomes like this. Okay.
Yes.
Then you can put it right here. Snap in. This side snap in too.
Yes.
After it both sides are snapped, you tight this one.
Okay.
As you can see.
Yes.
Tight two bolts.
Yes. I will.
Okay. And you have to be tight, otherwise it could come off during driving. Okay. And tight this one too. Now, after tight, it will not come off. Okay, and then what you do is put this one, turn clockwise. Oops, sorry.
Yes. Okay. I will start.
Turn clockwise, and as long as you turn a little bit, just push down the pedal, and turn this one too, and turn the connector to clockwise, so it will automatically tight both pedals together.
Yes. I will go back.
Okay.
Okay.
And after you tight everything, you just tight this one too. So now you can see it's work like that. And just do for the other side too.
Okay. I'll try again.